What's up?
We need to give those guys as much beer as they want.
I'm sorry, man. Oh,
Hey, what do you think happened?
Hilarious! I got divorced! That was good, wasn't it?
I'm gonna show Natalie this next week.
How bad would you make it look like next fucking video?
Oh my god. This is y'all on America's Funniest Home Videos. Oh my god.